Chapter 9.1 to 9.3 review solving quadratics. The first topic we are going to discuss is zero product property. And example number 1, we have three factors 2x, x minus 3, 5x plus 1 equals 0. You're going to put all the factors equal to 0 one by one. So one of the factor is 2x equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, and 5x plus 1 equals 0. And then you're going to solve for x. So x equals 0. In the second one, you're going to plus 3. X equals to 3. And in the last one, you're going to subtract 1. And then you're going to divide with 5. So this 3 answer, it could be x equals 0 or x equals 3 or x equals negative 1 over 5 for 3 factors. For number 1, you're going to put these two factors equal to 0 one by one, and you're going to solve for x. In this one, you subtract 4 on both sides. In this one, you subtract 9 on both sides. So x is equal to negative 4 or x equals negative 9. For number 2, put the two factor equal to 0 one by one. Subtract 6 on both sides. You got w equals negative 6 or w equals negative 11. Similarly, for question number 3, you're going to put a minus 7 equals 0 or a minus 2 equals 0. Solve for a, you're going to add 7 on both sides. You got a equals 7, or when you add 2 on both sides, you get a equals 2. So a equals 7 or a equals 2. For number 4, similarly, you're going to put these two factors equal to 0 one by one, and you're going to solve for q. Plus 5 on both sides, you got q equals 5. In this one, you subtract 1 on both sides and you divide with 4, you got q equals negative 4. So either q equals 5 or q equals negative 1 over 4. For number 5, you put these two factors equals 0 one by one and solve for x. Subtract 8 on both sides and then you divide with 3. You got x equals negative 8 over 3. In this one, subtract 1 on both sides. Divide with 6, you got x equals negative 1 over 6. For number 6, you're going to put these two factors equals 0 one by one. Plus 3 on both sides and divide 2. You got b equals 3 over 2. Negative 9 on both sides. You got b equals negative 9. For number 7, you have three factors, a, 5a minus 12, and a plus 4. You're going to put them equal to 0 one by one, and then you're going to solve for a by applying the opposite operation. A equals 0. So here you're going to add 12 on both sides. You got 5a equals 12. Subtract 4 on both sides. You got a equals negative 4. In this one, you're going to divide with 5. You got a equals 12 over 5. So you have three answer, a equals 0 or a equals 12 over 5 or a equals negative 4. For number 8, you put these three factors equal to 0 one by one. Subtract 10 on both sides, you got x equals negative 10. For this factor, add 1 on both sides and divide with 3, you got x equals 1 over 3. Subtract 1 on both sides and divide with 3, you got x equals negative 1 over 3.